Hello and welcome back to another exciting video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to start page numbering from a specific page in Microsoft Word. Maybe you've created a project report or a company profile, and you don't want page numbers on your cover page or table of contents. Instead, you want the numbering to begin later, for example, from page 4. Well, that's exactly what we'll do in this video. Let's get started. As you can see, I already have a sample project report here. Now, to insert page numbers, we'll go to the Insert tab. Under the page number dropdown, you'll see several options. Since I want the page numbers to appear at the bottom of each page, I'll choose Bottom of Page and then select a format I like. Now, this adds page numbers to every single page in the document, including the cover page and the table of contents, which we don't want. We only want numbering to start from a specific page, like page 4, and keep the earlier pages blank. So let's fix that. First, we'll go to the Header and Footer tab, and under page numbering, let's remove the existing page numbers. Now click on the page before the one where you want your numbering to begin. For example, if you want numbering to start from page 4, click on page 3. Next, go to the Home tab and click the Show and Hide icon. It looks like a backward P symbol. When you click this, you'll see hidden formatting marks in your document, such as page breaks and paragraph marks. Scroll down to the bottom of page 3. If you already see a page break there, delete it because we're going to replace it with a section break instead. Now go to the Layout tab, click on Breaks, and then choose Next Page under Section Breaks. This creates a new section for the next page. After doing that, go back to the Home tab and click the Show and Hide button again to hide those formatting symbols. Your document now looks normal again. Next, we'll double-click at the bottom of the page where you want the numbering to start. In our case, page 4. You'll notice it says Footer, Section 2, and on the right-hand side, you'll see the text same as previous. We need to remove that because we don't want Section 2 to follow the same settings as the earlier pages. To remove it, go to the Header and Footer tab at the top and simply click Link to Previous. Once you do that, the text same as previous disappears. Now this section works independently, and we can start page numbering from here. Go back to the Insert tab, click Page Number, and then choose Format Page Numbers. A window will appear. Here you can choose the number style you want, and in the box that says Start At, type 1, then click OK. Now you might notice that the page number still doesn't appear yet, so go to the Page Number option again, select Bottom of Page, and choose your preferred position and style. And there you go. Your page numbering now starts from page 4, beginning at 1, and continues correctly through the rest of the document. Meanwhile, your cover page and table of contents stay clean, without any page numbers, just the way we wanted. And that's it. You've successfully added page numbers, starting from a specific page in Microsoft Word. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon so you'll get notified whenever I post a new video. You can also visit my website, sardeq.com, for more resources and tutorials. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.